Okay, I am playing I Am Cat today. I need to be so quiet. I need to drop the trophies. That's my first
Alam ko may ilan sa inyo na di sapat ang paniniwala na may Diyos.
That's my first
Subukan
pass.
ninyong buksan
I
ang
never
mga puso
played this
ninyo
game
at
before, but
ninyo
now I
ano
know
ba talaga
what is
ang
this.
kahalagahan ng salitang Diyos.
I've been playing this for
Hindi
years,
ako
okay?
manghuhula. Isa po akong
And I become a
visionary.
pro in this
Kung ano man
game.
makita ko, ito ay mangyayari. Diyos
gonna
lamang
click
ang
this
makapagbago ng lahat.
Trophy.
Tayo nagbabago sa
First.
ikot ng mundo.
Wait, I'm still. I did not.
Pagkahalaga sa
I still did
kalikasan.
not, bro.
Kaya sa atin
I
ay
need to
magbalik.
like pick up
Kahit
everything.
ganun pa man tayo ay may babala pa din galing
Like
sa Kanya.
I had
Mga
the
taga-Cebu,
ending.
ulitin
I had
ko
an
po
ending.
ulit.
Like
Tatlong lugar.
I was just driving the
Kaligayan
car and I
ng
hit
malakas na
someone.
lindol na mangyari ka lamang
That was the
ulit.
ending, guys.
Karamihan sa pinsala
I hit
ay
someone.
gusali
And let's see.
at may kilalang simbahan
Fix
na
the
nasira
same.
ang
Oh,
bahagi nito.
I already did that
Nasabayan
a long
ito
time
ng
ago.
mga sunog
Fix
dahil
the
sa
same?
lakas ng
Okay.
yanig. Lagi po tayo mag-ingat at huwag
I'm done
nating
fixing the
kalimutan
same.
ang panalangin.
So what should I do? Am I break? How many bottles? 4 bottles. Okay. I did not break this bottle.
Ba na siya gingan mandawin maktan?
Oh, don't get angry at me. Please don't get angry. Huffman, you're not getting angry? Why is he not getting angry? What? Is that a new update? Guys, I think, why is he not getting angry? Miss Crested, Sir, I don't know what's her name, okay? I'm just gonna call her Sir. Okay, I broke, oh, he respawned. Wait, what?
Malapot na yung laway, well.
Wait, what? Okay, yeah, they're just talking. Okay, and what's this? Okay, clone mess. Oh, a clone mess? Oh, sir, please don't kill me. Please don't. No! He killed me. Bruh. And I respawn. And I still have the endings. Bruh, look. Where's this wolf? Look, where's the wolf looking at? Oh, look at the wolf. Look at her eyes.